UK is a popular destination among students from around the world. In today's video, we are going to explain step-by-step process to get a student visa for the UK. To study in the UK you need a Tier 4 category visa, which also allow us to study and work for up to 20 hours per week and work full-time during vacations or summer holidays. To apply for a student visa you need following documents: passport, visa application form, confirmation of acceptance for studies, proof of funds, visa fees payment receipt, pay slips, medical certificates, original mark sheets and provisional certificates of English tests like IELTS, private, etc. Now let's discuss the steps. Number 1. Get the acceptance letter. You need to communicate with the university visa counselor. We at Videsh Consults will assist you with documentation and application to multiple universities. After successfully receiving acceptance letter you can move to our next step. Number 2. Arrange your financial evidence. You need to show funds cover your course fees for the first year of study and living costs. If you are self-funding, ensure that funds are held for 28 consecutive days before you apply for your visa online. You can show your bank statement, fixed deposit, education loan, etc. Number 3. Arrange other supporting documents. Arrange the supporting documents before applying for the visa. Number 4. Apply for the visa. Apply for the visa from UK Home Office website. As part of the online visa application you will book an appointment to attend a visa application centre in person to submit your documents and your biometric information. You need to pay approximately $423 after submitting your details. Number 5. Interview and document verification. On the date of your appointment there may be a round of interviews with simple questions like: why do you want to study in the UK? Why do you want to apply for this course, etc. Be prepared to answer them. Apply 3 months before the course starts. You can also apply through VFS with some extra charge. They'll evaluate your application and assist you accordingly. Videsh Consults team will guide you in complete process from admission to post-landing services. If you have any question or doubt, feel free to ask in comments. Our next video will be on how to get the student visa for Europe.